Some of you may be aware of a food item called mixture. It is just popularly called as mixture. What mixture it is? It is a savory mixture, quite a spicy item, made of certain flours which are deep fried, and then you mix them with roasted peanuts and then curry leaves and so on. It's quite a spicy item that many Indians like, and particularly the South Indians like it a lot. This is of an interest to me in raw food, how to make something equivalent to this so-called mixture, and I want to make something that is healthy as well as enjoyable. So today I am going to make a very unique item which will be full of healthy fats, spicy item, definitely vitamins are included. If you wait till the end of the video, I will provide the nutritional details as also how long this can be stored. So watch out. I took half a cup of almonds. This is a recipe which does not require any kind of equipment. So just with my knife, I broke these almonds into small size slices, and also I took some copra or dry coconut and cut into small pieces again. We will be combining all of these, and that is how a mixture will be made. And then I took one lemon and then juiced it. Also I added 1 teaspoon of chili powder, which was not adequate, so I added more chili powder and chili flakes as well. Then I had some sea salt as well added, and mixed all of this along with dried curry leaves. The dried curry leaves were made from dehydrated fresh curry leaves. The finished product was quite good. It is not very crunchy, but definitely spicy, hot, and the sourness of the lemon and the curry leaves definitely can be filled. And the best part is about the dry coconut. After completing it, I realized that it required some more lemon juice. It also required some more spiciness, so I added some chili flakes as well at the end, and then the product was too good. Tasting time, always an exciting moment for me. So I went through this so-called mixture. I hope I will like it. I hope it has come out well. So as you just now saw in my different kind of video shooting today using time lapse, I have shown you how I made this from dry coconuts, almonds, roasted peanuts, dried curry leaves. These dried curry leaves has come out as a very good interesting addition to the other item I made yesterday. So let's see how it is going to taste now. I know it won't be crunchy like a regular commercial mixture, but some kind of chaat. Interesting. Nice. I like this. It has come out very well. There can be some corrections though, because of the peanuts being soaked peanuts. It was like a chart. There were some hard items that included almonds, and then those dry coconuts. They give you a lot of crunchy feeling, lot of bite into it, and the curry leaves were definitely a very good addition. It was nice. I would have preferred to add a little more chili powder and a little more salt and a little more lemon juice. When I put the recipe for you, I will make those corrections so that you will see a recipe which will be better than the one which I have made now. The one I made now is quite good. I can definitely eat it the way it is. But for my personal taste, I would have loved to have a little more punch to it. So a little more chili powder will make a lot of difference. I think I'm going to suggest that. I think this is an item which is easy to make, like you have seen. This doesn't require any kind of equipment. I make those zero equipment recipes that some of you could be familiar. If you go to my playlist, there is an item called zero equipment recipes. Under that you will find several items which do not require any kind of equipment. So this is one such item. No dehydrator, no blender, no juicer, no refrigeration, no nothing. It is just about cutting and mixing certain things, and it will come out quite well. Easy, enjoyable, anytime buy. So this is a healthy addition. Definitely you should try. Thanks for your time. Please click whether you disliked it or liked it. Anything is better than none. Send your comments as well. I post several videos. You may like at least some of them. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also click on the notification bell. When I was a young boy, I used to visit my maternal grandfather's house. The spices in cinnamon, cardamom, very much from one recipe just this. You can hear the sound.